All right, it's game time. I'm dropping 10 cybersecurity mistakes. If you're guilty of one, you're eliminated. Make it to number 1, you're a certified cyber ninja. But if you're out at number 10, we need to talk. Comment below which number got you. Let's see who survives till the end. Ready? Let's go. Your Gmail, Netflix, Facebook, and bank account, all using the same password? If one leaks, hackers get the keys to everything. Ever heard of credential stuffing? That's when attackers take leaked passwords and try them on tons of other sites. Spoiler, it works. Quick fix. Use a password manager. Seriously, it's like armor for your digital life. Updates aren't just for new emojis. They patch security holes hackers already know about. Delaying that update is like leaving your front door open because you're too lazy to grab the key. Quick fix. Turn on auto updates for your operating system, browser, and especially your phone. Your account has been compromised. Click here to recover it. Sound familiar? Phishing is the oldest trick in the cyberbook. One click, and boom, you've handed over your info. Quick fix. Always check the sender, hover over links before clicking, and never give out sensitive info via email. If your login has no second layer, it's like having a door with just a handle and no lock. 2FA means even if your password is stolen, they still need your device. Quick fix. Enable 2FA everywhere. Email, banking, social media, all of it. Your birthday. Your dog's name. The city you live in. Hackers love personal info, especially when you use it in your passwords or security questions. Quick fix. Keep it minimal. Make your accounts private. And stop broadcasting your life like it's a reality show. That free PDF converter or cracked version of Photoshop, it might be bundled with malware. You think you saved money, but now you've paid with your data. Quick fix. Only download from trusted sources. And avoid pirated software. It's a cyber trap. Free airport Wi-Fi sounds great, until someone intercepts your data. Hackers can easily sniff traffic on open networks and steal your info. Quick fix. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Or better yet, don't log into sensitive accounts at Starbucks. No passcode? Weak PIN? That's a gift for anyone who picks up your device. Your phone holds more sensitive data than your wallet. Treat it like it does. Quick fix. Use a strong PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. If ransomware hits and you don't have a backup, you're done. Hard drives fail, phones get lost, and accidents happen. Quick fix. Set up automated cloud backups. External drive backups, both. This is the most dangerous mindset. Cyber attacks aren't just for celebrities or big companies. They hit everyday people all the time, quietly. You're not under the radar. You're just unprepared. Quick fix. Stay vigilant. Keep learning. Cybersecurity isn't paranoia. It's preparation. So, what number eliminated you? Drop it in the comments. No shame. We've all been there. But now you know better. And if you made it all the way to number 1, respect. Cyber Guardian. Hit like, share this with your less secure friends, and subscribe for more no-fluff cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe.